The overall goal of the following experiment is to examine subclinical atherosclerosis in different vascular territories. First, laser Doppler imaging with iontophoresis of vasodilating drugs is used to examine microvascular endothelial function. Next, flow-mediated dilatation and glyceryl trinitrate-mediated dilatation are used to examine large vessel endothelial function. Lastly, the carotid intima media thickness is analyzed for advanced morphological changes. The results show changes in microvascular and large vessel endothelial function in response to stimulation. In addition, the vessel wall of the carotid artery is also characterized.
These methods can help answer key questions in the field of cardiovascular physiology, such as determining the impact of interventions on vascular health in different clinical populations.
First, prepare the laser Doppler imager. Let it warm up for half an hour or longer. Calibrate the machine and get the software ready to use. Also, prepare the solutions in the Perspex chamber. Then bring the study participant to the imager. Seat the participant slightly reclined and on a firm pillow with one elbow bent at 90 degrees and that forearm comfortably positioned on a black mat. Be sure to secure the forearm to the pillow so that it stays in place on the mat. Next, prepare the Perspex chambers. First, attach their plugs to the iontophoresis controller. Then attach the chamber containing acetylcholine to the anodal connection and attach the chamber containing sodium nitroprusside to the cathodal connection. Then connect the two chambers to the volar aspect of the